So for this video, we are going to do a FabFitFun unboxing and you will see all about it. So FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box that's $49.99 every quarter. You can also do every 6 months, every year paying for it, and it's a little cheaper. You get to have a whole bunch of products that come in your box. And with each box, you can, depending on what your subscription level is, you get to customize a few items or most of your items, and you get to choose from like 2 to 3 items for each category what you want in your box. So for mine, I am on the yearly subscription, so I get to choose pretty much most of what I want in my box. You also have the option to do add-ons, which is just like a whole bunch of different products that you get to add on to your box every quarter. So just a bunch of different things. They don't come necessarily right in the box. They come in the box it's shipped in, but not necessarily in the particular box that you get, like the little FabFitFun looking box. So I will leave a link down below for you to check out the FabFitFun if you want to. It will be a referral link and you can check it out and see if you like it. Yeah, so we'll start the unboxing. So this month, or this quarter, I actually did a few add-ons. I don't know if I did add-ons. I think I did an extra customization. So with the customization, you can do extra items if you want more than one of the things. That's a choice. So that's really cool too. I think it's like $10 more if you want one of the other options. That's one of the customization things. So it comes in this big box. So now this is my extra customization. So this month I think I chose the bag and the essential oil diffuser as my, because I wanted both of them, so I chose one of them as just your add-on item. So this is really cool. Comes in this nice little bag to hold it, to keep it all nice. Yes, so this is the backpack. It's really cute. It's the white part is a fabric-y thing. It's got this little snap part and on here. It's got a little pocket, which is really nice. So this will be a nice little bag to carry around. And you also have on the side these little snaps, so you can snap it to make it look a little different. There's our first item. Now we'll get into the actual box. I didn't do any add-ons this time. I didn't really need or want any of the add-ons. But sometimes I will. Like I think one time I added on socks or something. No, I added on a face mask, like a sleep face mask. There's a huge box. How the FabFitFun box comes. It comes in this big box with everything in it. So, open it. Open it to the side a little bit. So every single FabFitFun box you get will come with a little magazine. They'll have a different cover each time. So this one is Venus Williams is the cover. So then so you open it up, it has FabFitFun on it, and then you have tissue paper. Open it. So I got the measuring spoons by Giada de Laurentiis. That's really cool. I think these are the sunglasses. I think it's Way is how you actually pronounce it. It's QUAI Australia sunglasses, but I think it's actually pronounced like Way or K or something. It's not how it's spelled. I know that. can get these opened. We will open it. So I always have the problem with sunglasses that my face is tiny and they usually don't fit me, so hopefully these fit. Ooh, they do, and they are very cute. I like them. I will probably wear them a lot this summer. And it comes with a nice little bag, which is really nice to hold the sunglasses in, especially my purse, so they don't get all scratched up. And it snaps open like that. It has a little magnet. There's just tons of goodies in here. Okay. What is this? Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It's pretty cool. The package looks like this. And then here's the No More Baggage, the product. So try that out. It's got a little tip like that. So I usually will use my little Eco Tools eye roller, put stuff on like this for under my eyes. Okay, so this was another option to choose what you wanted, was the Tula. Oh my god. It was the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. So that would be good. Let's see. Have a good scent. I don't really smell it. I think it's got a, yeah, it's got a thing on there, so you can't smell it yet. Because I will open it once I actually need more face cleanser. Ooh, I love leave-in conditioners. This is the Way. So everything has weird things. So this is the Way leave-in conditioner. So I usually put these leave-in conditioners after I shower. Hair so wet, I comb it through, put this in, comb it through again to just get it in there, and you can just leave it in there without drying or dry your hair. So I usually shower at night so I don't end up drying my hair. Ooh. So then one of the other customizations I chose was this necklace from the Two Bandits. It's really pretty. It's got like some shimmer to it. So see how the package, so you don't get the glare of the package and you can actually see it really good. So there's the necklace. So that will look pretty on. Okay. Ooh, a charcoal scrub from Monaco brand. So it's a champagne charcoal scrub. Let's see. This also has a seal, so I'm not going to open this till I actually use it. Just a little bit. I'm sure it smells good. But charcoal scrubs are really, really nice, especially on your face. They, charcoal helps to detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin. So this will be a nice product to use. And last but not least is the diffuser for essential oils. Ooh, it comes with one. Let's see what scent it comes with. Ooh, orange. I love orange smells. Oh, you can already smell it. I think it was opened a little bit, so it's kind of everywhere, but that's okay. I think in my last FabFitFun box, I also got some essential oils. So they're having a theme lately. Their oils. Okay. So this just plugs into like a USB, which is nice because my nightstand actually has a USB port, or 2 USB ports on it. So it has a light. Let's see. Let's plug this in. Actually, on my vanity table, which I use for filming, have a little strip that has a USB on it, so we can test this out and see how it goes. Okay. Maybe if it actually works. Okay, so turned it on. So put water in here, pop this on, then you put you just add the essential oils into the water tank with the water. And it has a min and max fill line. And then it has a very light light. I don't think you're even gonna be able to see it. It is the dimmest light ever, but it's nice. And then this just pops on to make it looks pretty. So yeah, the light is not very bright, but it's nice for a diffuser. You don't really want to have like a super bright light on a diffuser. That'd be a little weird. But yeah, so that's all the products we have in the FabFitFun box. And remember to subscribe to my channel so you can get further. So that's everything that we have in the FabFitFun box. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell right down below so you can get notified of my future uploads. Bye!